What's up, folks? I want to show you, what we're doing here with this GTS is we are putting the Porsche emblems back on the rear bumper. And because we did a full body paint protection film wrap, we installed Modesta BC04. We want all of that on seamlessly underneath the emblems, but what we run into potentially is a problem with bonding with the double-sided tape. And as you'll be able to see here with our emblems, is that right, Pablo? Okay, good. We spend a lot of money, not as much as brand new emblems, but we do spend a lot of money to have these refinished because they are like new. They just need that tape pulled off in a safe way and then have a plotter cut the shapes to have them ready to go. So when those go back on, we don't want the Modesta interfering with the ability for those emblems to bond. And because the coating takes 2 weeks to completely cure, you can break down the Modesta even after an infrared lamp treatment with straight IPA. Now this only works, technically you could abrade it or work it enough 2 weeks, 10 days after application, but we just applied the Modesta yesterday. So what I'm going to do is use straight IPA on an IT to hit the outside edges so that when those logos go back on, the emblems go back on, they're going to bond really well. And yet, even in an area like, hey Pablo, you can come over here and point down here. So you can see we have little gaps in the logos, emblems. Those are practically impossible to coat thoroughly by themselves when they're installed. So this is one way that we can have a complete application of the Modesta over the film or over paint and not have problems with bonding. And this is the template that we made in-house to ensure that the emblems go back exactly as they were when they came to us. It's that simple. I'll see you guys here in a second once we've got all the emblems back on. All right, here we go. They are on now. The emblems will have a really nice bond to the film with no Modesta interfering with it. The spacing is on point, just as it should be. And she is a glossy one.